Hi folks, Toad here with Visordown.com, and we're on the launch of the Aprilia RS 660. So I just thought I'd give you a little update as we're at the lunch stop. Could have done with stopping about an hour ago because I am hungry. And anyway, here it is in all its glory. One of the most eagerly awaited sports bikes of 2020. And this has been a launch I've been looking forward to. Well, there's probably only really been 2 launches this year that I've really looked forward to. This and the new Fireblade when we flew to Qatar. And yeah, this is a very lovely little bit of kit. So we've done about 150 Ks so far. We've got about another 50 to do this afternoon. And what do we think? Well, Aprilia are saying this is a midway point between bikes like the R6 and the ZX6R Ninja. And then at the other end of the scale, you've got bikes like the Ninja 650 and the CBR 650R. I actually think this is a lot nearer to the ZX6R Ninja and the R6 in terms of the way it handles and the way it gets down the road. Given the choice, I would rather swing my leg over this on a nice sunny day for a bit of a blast up the kind of roads that we've been riding on, just because of the usable power, torque and everything else. It is very easy to ride. It's light, it's nimble, and it just handles very well. Another thing I got to mention, it is probably the best sounding parallel twin out there. Sounds really throaty. They do an aftermarket can, so you can get an Akrapovic, and that will make it sound absolutely superb. There is really one issue that I've noticed with the bike, and it's the only thing that I can really pick fault with, and that's that the quick shifter, which is standard on the bikes, sometimes changes smoothly, and then other times you get a bit of a pause or a delay before the gear actually engages. I mean, you can forgive it, but I don't think it will be a problem on the production bikes that people are going to be going out and buying, because these are pre-production models. They're not the actual full production ones, and they are hoping to have tuned out that glitch, that kind of error, by the time they hit the dealerships. Other than that though, proper stunning little bit of kit. And if this is the face of super sport motorcycles, and this is what we're going to be looking forward to, I have absolutely no qualms about it whatsoever. Riding it today, I haven't missed the extra 40 horsepower that you get from bikes like the ZX6R Ninja. It is just an absolute dream to ride. There'll be a full review going up on Visordown, and of course a full video review a little bit later on. But for now, ciao.